Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. This week I'm going to do an easy one. I'm just going to do a fudge brownie. But first, because it's this time of the morning, time for a cup of coffee. Right, you shall need gas mark 6 oven on 200 non-fan 180 fan, a square tin with baking parchment with some grease or butter. I'll just spread some butter on it and put that around. A bowl, 95 grams of flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 3 eggs, 225 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of dark chocolate. I've just got some cooking on there. 170 grams of unsalted butter, and I suppose really whatever you want inside it. So mixed nuts. I'm just going to do milk chocolate. I seem to have sugar everywhere already. Sugar. Let's begin. Right, with the 174 grams, we need to add obviously the 150 grams of chocolate. This chocolate has decided to not split very well. Thank you, Sainsbury's. That's good. But these are going to go in together. We'll melt them, so 30-second blast. I'm sure that's going to sound lovely on the camera. Right. Oh no, hang on. I think this should be 150. Ooh, free chocolate. That's close enough. Now into the microwave for 30-second blasts until it's all nice and melted. Right, next step is to whisk the sugar and eggs together. So 225 grams, 227 grams. Can't crack these against there. Right, so about a minute in, and the chocolate is taking longer than the butter to melt. So I'm just going to I'm stirring it every 30 seconds until basically this is no lumps left. So hopefully next blast should be the last. Now it's everybody's favourite segment, failing to crack the eggs. Should hopefully be butter and chocolate done. I've got eggy fingers. Oh, yeah, I'm happy with that. That's all mixed in. So now we are going to use an electric whisk to fold the eggs into this until it's light and fluffy. It would help if I turned it on. Right, as I'm worried about this flinging everywhere, I'm going to do this first. I'm going to do the first mix, which normally flings everything everywhere. Now then, until nice and fluffy. That's light and fluffy. Let's continue. Right, now we need to fold in 2 mixtures together. Maybe I didn't do that long enough because I seem to have some bits up the bottom. So annoyingly, this mixture is now too large for if I put my bowl on my scales, they now go out. So I now need to add 30 grams of cocoa powder. £32 grams. That's not going to harm anyone. So 0 my scales. 91 grams of flour. I might as well just do it all in one go. Baking train. 95, exactly. Okay, I did forget one ingredient. Apparently, a pinch of salt. Don't know how big your pinches are, but I'm going to use that much. Now, add that, and I think we've just got to stir in. Thank you, train. Well done. So now I've got 100 grams of chocolate chips. There you go, 100 grams. Add the whole thing. Stir this in. And then we're just going to simply add it to the pan. Right, can I mix this in whilst I'm holding the camera? Right then, I'm just going to shake that to give that set. So this, we're now going to the oven. The recipe that I got this from says 25, what was that? 25 minutes, but I'm going to do 35 just because this top oven takes a bit longer. Right, so the top's glossy. I've never had that crack like that before. Right, so now this has been left to cool off. Let's see how we did. So then, cup of tea. And that is lovely and soft. Not too chocolate, well, yeah, it's chocolatey enough. Yeah, this seems to be a bit too smooth though, but I like that. Now give that a go, because it's just slapping it together and cooking it for about whenever. And yeah, I think I'm going to try it next time with some white chocolate or some milk chocolate, just to, I don't know, try different things. But you can add, well, you can add nuts in, you can add whatever you want. I think there's pretzels one has, so very versatile recipe, but yes, definitely recommended.